and we got it all to fit. And let's go back to the place. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be making waterfall. Pondless waterfall to be in fact. So basically what we got going on is we had all of our material just dumped a couple minutes ago. 3 separate loads, like 20,000 pounds, 30,000 pounds of rock. Just this one rock is like 700 pounds. So yeah, we have a lot of material, have just about everything. And to start, we took out these trees. They're just some arborvitae that lined the back area. And now we're just cleaning up the other leaves and other debris to get ready to prepare to dig out the stumps as well as dig trenches for our retaining walls. Here's one of the trunks that I kept. I plan on reusing it. We'll see how that goes. Got the front loader and excavator, and first thing to do is going to be to take out these stumps over here, and after that dig a trench, lay down a couple inch layer of QP quarry process, and after we put that down we'll lay our cinder block on top and then backfill with all the dirt excavated from the waterfall. Let's get to work. Alright, so we're back, day 2. Last night, working into the night, we got most of the material excavated out of the actual water vault, and it's pretty much on the sides right now, but we'll just move that with the front loader shortly. And right now we're just prepping the bottom of the vault area. Over there in the bottom area, that's where our pump vaults will be, and our corrugated tubing, so all the debris could settle down to the bottom and get cleaned out when need be. As soon as we're done with this step, we'll go ahead, drop our underlayment in, as well as our pond liner, and bring in our milk crate, which is serving as our aqua blocks, and then we'll start backfilling in around it. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got most of the shelves carved. Just putting some more fill over here so that we could fix up some of the edging over there. About to carve out the last shelf and then pull back the liner and then start setting the rocks on top. Okay, so liner's in. Just starting to put out some of the rocks right now to frame out the water vault and then fill that over with some of the river rock. But yeah, let's go. Since I have had a last update, but we got quite a bit done. Almost all the plumbing is ran. We have one of the T sections over here with all its valves running up, dump valve, and then the other ones to this bubbling rock. For this whole connection, we have one to each of the bowls and then a dump valve in the middle. And then I'm just plumbing up the last one over here, which runs to this bigger bowl and 2 dump valves. We have some of the plants over here just to line them up in areas where we think they look best. But a lot of the berming action has been done already. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. And I also incorporated the log, that split log in one area. And the other half is over there. And once I run this plumbing, I'll probably fit it in over there.
Wow, nice. This is
That's pretty much a wrap. 3-4 days. 4th day mostly just tightening up little stuff. I know I kind of cut out a lot and didn't record, but on that 3rd day we just worked so fast and we did most of the interesting stuff to watch. And yeah, it just came together super fast, and here it is in all its glory. Everything is fully manipulatable through the ball valves and all the T sections, and always super easy and super forgiving, this design. Without those ball valves, tripping over here. Without those ball valves, you know, the flow would be pretty much how it is, and you wouldn't be able to change it at all. But definitely something I'll incorporate in any water feature I build from now on. Definitely good. Yeah. One of the lavers, yep. And the other one, the less helpful one. So, yeah, that's it. Other than that, I'll see you in the next build. Peace.